Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo, where we want you to eat well, feel well, and to be in good health. So thank you for joining us today. Today's recipe is an ancient Peruvian hot chocolate that is packed with lots of health benefits. Our ingredients are organic cacao powder, turmeric powder, cinnamon, Himalayan salt, black pepper, plant-based milk according to your choice, and date syrup to sweeten it. In our saucepan, we're going to place 2 tablespoons of the organic cacao powder. To that we add half a teaspoon of the turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Next, a pinch of Himalayan salt and a pinch of black pepper. Gently whisk the dry ingredients together. To this we're going to add your plant-based milk, enough to make at least 1 to 2 cups of hot chocolate. Vigorously whisk the ingredients together to make sure that there are no lumps. Place the saucepan on a medium heat and then let it start to bubble gently. Now I'm going to add my date syrup to sweeten the hot chocolate. After about 3 to 5 minutes of being on the gas, you can pour your hot chocolate into your cup. Here we have our ancient Peruvian hot chocolate. So what are some of the health benefits of it? Well, the cacao is packed full of antioxidants. It's also one of the highest plant sources of iron, and also it's a natural mood elevator and antidepressant. Enjoy this delightful drink. And as always, remember to like, comment and subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you next time.